here at Vivid Shores looking at the biggest of the model homes, the second largest home that Pulte has. This is the Madeira Grande. Tyler Meek from Pulte Homes is going to help walk us through this particular floor plan, and you're going to want to watch to the end because this is going to be a really good one. All right, so Tyler, can you give us an overview of what we're looking at here with the Madeira Grande?
Yeah, so the Madeira Grande, I guess we'll start out here with the curb appeal. This is modern for our theme for the elevation. We offer coastal and farmhouse as well. And then any floor plan that you see with a grand on it, just know if you take the grand off, you can do that same floor plan as a single story. So if you like the layout of the first floor, you don't necessarily need all the space upstairs, you can do this as one level. But today, the Madeira Grande, this is 4 beds, 5 bathrooms. You do have an office. You got the outdoor living space, and this is a 3-car garage. You've got the 2 right here that are front loading, the 1 car that is side loading. You will get a courtyard for this home. Now there is an optional gate. So if you're not crazy about the gate option, this doesn't come with the home. And once again, this is the Sapphire series, so you'll notice the double door entry on this home.
And here's what I'll tell you, right when you walk into the Madeira Grande, you get just this open feeling. You start to understand the width of the lot that we're working with is more substantial, and it just feels more open than the other floor plans. So formal dining here. See, we've got a little bar built in, beverage refrigerator. We will go upstairs and check out that in a bit. But it is very hard to really get full scope without zooming up. So its ceilings in here are 20.
They're about 22 feet.
22.
First floor to second floor, they're about 22 feet in this area.
Super functional layout from a kitchen perspective. We have the formal dining on the other side, eat-in breakfast nook here. They also added cabinetry, call it a butler's prep area. Big walk-in pantry. And then this is our laundry, which is really nice here. They double stacked. So we've got 2 washers, 2 dryers. And this particular floor plan they decided to put in as an optional grade for the dog wash station. So one thing we like to do is highlight the outdoor space. And in this particular floor plan, the amount of space that you have from the sliders to the exterior of the structure is substantial. I mean, it's probably somewhere in the realm of 15 feet or so. And it just feels like an incredible covered space here. And then on top of that, there's additional covered space over in the distance where the outdoor kitchen, pizza oven is all sitting at the moment. So one of the highlights that we like to talk about in Vivid Shores especially is the view, right? The lakefront views here are absolutely incredible. This is a custom pool with spa. And then we'll check out the outdoor kitchen. I mean, this outdoor kitchen is as large or larger than some indoor kitchens. Refrigerator, sink out here, grill hood, put in the pizza oven there. Such a cool space. And from this angle, you can see the loft space with the balcony there. And then we'll enter the owner suite. Tons of natural light flooding in, or tray ceiling, nice ceiling detail they added into the model. And like many of their floor plans, there's some options that you have in terms of the layout of the owner's bath. And so right now they have a standalone tub and shower. Again, the shower is a very nice size. If you wanted to make this the entire length of this wall and take out the tub, that is an option as well. Double vanity. A water closet here. And then a giant owner's closet. Yeah, I mean, I could understand that from a noise perspective. So if you've got kids upstairs or whatever, having that sealed off, that's a nice touch. Okay, making our way to the front of the home. Guest bathroom, very well done. Guest bedroom number 1. Walk-in closet here. This is our office here in the Madeira Grande. This has French door entry. And then here's guest bedroom number 2. There's guest bath number 2. Okay, so we will make our way upstairs. Love a good loft space. If you have children, this is basically a must. Final bedroom. Full bath up here. And it's nice because this isn't directly connected to the bedroom, so that anybody who's up in the loft can be able to access this as well. And that bedroom does have a walk-in closet as well. In the Madeira Grande, there's actually also a pool bath, full pool bath. Very nice. We've got the location directly across from the pool. You can enter from the outside, or again, you can walk straight in there from the inside. Well, that wraps up the tour of the Madeira Grande. Now, if you want to look at this particular property or any of the other model homes that are here in Vivid Shores, reach out. We're happy to help you. The website is explorevividshores.com. I have all the information about all the floor plans that are available, pricing, etc., and a special VIP registration where you get updates as they're happening in the community. Have a blessed day.